Of course you need some amazing gadgets for your room, and this video will surely assist you. In this video, we have packaged a list of 8 mind-blowing gadgets for your room. Make sure you watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Welcome to Techie Spot. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's get started. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. HUE Lighting Tool. Looking for a smart lighting gadget for your room? Then take a look at this one right here. This HUE Lighting Tool is a smart way to transform your workspace. All you need to get started with RGB lighting is packed in this gadget, and these includes a controller for LED strips, and all the required cables. It is built-in magnets, which allows you to attach it with 4 separate channels, individually organizable LED lights, and a variety of compatible accessories. This gadget has numerous presets, smart audio gaming, and custom modes to turn your PC case to your gaming monitor. This is the smart lighting gadget you need in your room. Aquarius Fountain Lamp. Looking for a cool and stylish lighting gadget for your room? Then take a look at this one right here. This fountain lamp manipulates water in visually incredible ways, and it can have your guests become mesmerized, watching a stream of water bend, change colors, freeze in place, rise upwards, split off into multiple streams, and even display effects such as volcanic lightning, or the northern lights, and these are all because of its slim profile. It can perfectly fit a variety of indoor use. You can also place it into a waterless standby mode, where it acts as an ambient night light. The fountain lamp has 60 LED lights, and when you vary a portion of these LED lights, at a frequency range of 75 to 100 Hz, against a vibrating stream of water, it creates snapshots of water at various places in time, and a set of these frames form an illusion of an animation. This animated water appears to bend, freeze, slow down, rise upwards, or even split into multiple streams, and when you apply different LED colors, it creates even more mesmerizing displays such as gradient layering, multicolored streams, and so on. This is an incredible gadget you need in your room. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. LEVOIT Air Purifier. Looking for a smart and portable air purifier? Then you really need to consider this one right here. This natural air purifier can be used at home, office, in your car, and so on. It has a simple and compact design. It features a complex and innovative technology. This purifier has the most advanced sensors, as well as a new photocatalytic filter which needs no replacement, elimination of waste, or any extra expenses, and with this innovative filter, this air purifier can successfully eliminate 93% of harmful organic compounds, 99% of viruses and bacteria, as well as particles that pose dangerous threats to your health. It can also remove fine particulate and odors. It has an app which enables you to monitor air pollutants, and control the airflow in real time. This gadget can also connect to other smart home devices. It has monitors and sensors, which measure accurately the temperature and humidity of a room, and also detect the level of pollutants, fine particulates, and carbon monoxide. With this gadget, you can be assured that the air you breathe is purified. This is the perfect air purifier you should buy. MINGER LED Strip Light. This is an amazing lighting gadget for your room. This gadget can change your workspace to something cool. It has both controller and the required cables in its pack. It's an ideal lighting system to decorate your room, office, home, and also make your desk all glowing in unison. Just set it up, and everything will look perfect in your workspace. This is definitely the best lighting gadget you should buy. ETERIA Air Purifier. This is a very smart and portable air purifier. You can use it at home, office, in your car, and so much more. It features a smart and compact design. which enables you to carry it along anywhere you go. It also has a photocatalytic filter, which removes harmful organic compounds from the air, eliminates viruses and bacteria, and also gets rid of fine particulates, odor, carbon monoxide, and other pollutants in the air. Its sensor is very accurate in measuring the amounts of pollutants in the air. This is a smart gadget you need to purify the air you breathe. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. TIKA Modular Design Tool. Now this gadget is a modular creation tool, made for building an unlimited number of amazing structures, such as lamps holders for your plants, or any design objects for your desktop, home, office, and so on. This gadget has 5 different sized wooden building sticks, and small magnetic metal balls that act as connectors with flexible joints. There are 3 different but connectable bases that you can choose from. You can build intricate structures for your plants, table lamps, night lights, flower lights, and so on. You can also build unique decor objects for your home. This is an amazing design tool you need for your projects. Dyson Air Purifier. Looking for an amazing smart air purifier for your room? Then you need to consider this gadget right here. This air purifier automatically senses, captures, and traps pollutants in order to clean the air. It purifies the whole room and also cools you in hot days. It combines intelligent sensing with an advanced filtration system. It uses activated carbon filter to remove gases and odors, and as well, its HEPA filter captures 99.97% of particles, of about 0.3 microns in size. It uses powerful air multiplier technology to purify the whole room, and this is as a result of its ability to rotate 360 degrees, thereby capturing all pollutants in different directions. Its nighttime mode also allows silent operation, and its LED indicators become dim in nighttime operation. This is truly an amazing air purifier you should buy right now. Dyson horn. Alright guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. Looking for a stylish drinking vessel for your room? Then take a look at this one right here. You can hang this vessel around your neck for a hands-free drinking experience. Dyson horn can hold up to 24 ounces of your favorite cold beverage. It has a removable neck strap, and it also has a display stand. It's a cool gadget, a stylish vessel you need to drink your favorite beer. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends,